Alright, this is the second video in this series, and this one's I'm going to go ahead and put some floors in here so you can actually learn how to put floors. Putting floors in this sort of split level design, not really a split level, it's not a by definition split level, but in a design like this, putting floors is really the same as putting floors in any even perfectly square building. I can't think of any nuances at the moment that would change that. But anyway, we're going to put floors in. So we're going to start on level 1. So go to floor plan, level 1. We're going to click on the floor tool, floor architectural. And of course they have stuff in here that we're really not going to use anyway. Let's see what they do have. Steel bar, wood joists, okay. We're not going to use any of those because we're going to have a monolithic slab, and it's going to have like a hardwood floor surface. So I'm actually going to use this as a template. I'm going to click on Edit Type, and I'm going to get this dialog box right here. Okay, then I'm going to duplicate this because I don't want to change the original. I just want to duplicate it, use it as a template. And this is going to be slab with what did I call it? Wood floor, not wood floor, but hardwood floor. Slab with hardwood. Okay, now I call it slab because when you're laying the floor down on a monolithic structure with a monolithic foundation, when I put the floor in, I'm actually putting the foundation down as well. I'm putting that slab down as well. Of course, there's still some more stuff I have to do to it after this, but that's basically what I'm doing. Is I'm starting to put the foundation down as well. Now I'm going to go to the Edit, or right here in the Value column. I'm going to go to the Edit button. I'm going to leave that as Structure. I'm going to change this to Concrete, and this is going to be Concrete Cast in Place Gray. So Concrete Cast in Place Gray. Click OK. I'm going to change this to 6 inches because that is going to be the thickness of my slab. It's going to be a 6-inch concrete slab. Now I want to insert a material. Material is actually going to be the finish layer. Okay. Right now when I hit this insert button, it just puts a new item right here inside the core boundary. So I click the up button to get it above the core boundary. It's the function here in the function column. It's not for a structure, so I'm going to change that to finish. It doesn't matter which finish 1, finish 2. Okay. Now under material by category, I'm going to click there. I'm going to click on these 3 ellipses, and I'm going to scroll down here and find oak flooring. And of course, in the future, of course, you'll want to change that because not everybody's going to have oak flooring. Maybe different types of wood. It may be different shades of color. So there's actually some detailed editing that you would do on that in the future. But right now, we're just going to go with what's in the box. The thickness of this approximately not quite 3/4. I'm just going to say 5/8. Now you can put 3/4 if you want to. It's not going to hurt anything. And I'm done there. Okay, now I'm going to click OK. And now if I look, let's see, everything's good there. Click OK. Now if I look over here, I can see that I've got sort of that preview of my new floor. Okay, and it even has the name slab with hardwood. I should have probably put 6-inch to make that more definitive of what it is. So I'm still in the floor tool. Okay, I changed my floor, did some editing on my floor. Now all I got to do is come in here and click and add my floor. And I click the green check mark up here to say I'm done. Okay, and there's my floor. You see the little hardwood pattern there as well. Okay, so that's the first floor, real easy. Now I want to go to the second level and place a floor on the second level. Now here I'm just going to be placing the floor within these boundaries. Okay, I'm not going to place the floor out here to the full extent of the first floor. So I'm going to do the same thing, and there may be a slight problem here, and I'll let you know if we hit it. But it's nothing that can't be fixed or adjusted. But I'm going to click on floor, and I'm going to use the same floor. And of course that problem that I was thinking was going to happen did not happen, so we're good to go. So just go around and click on boundaries of the second floor. I need to put one in here too. Okay. Now here, watch what happens when I click the green check mark. I'm done pretty much. Click this green check mark, and it's going to ask me, would you like walls that go up to this floor's level to attach to its bottom? Okay, now I made a mistake on that with some of my students earlier today, and I told them to click yes, but really I want to click no. Okay, so if I click yes, then I'm going to actually attach to the bottom of the second floor walls, which what's going to happen is I'm going to have a gap, you know. Yeah, well, I won't want to do it because I won't be able to undo it easily. But I'll go ahead and click no. Okay, and then I'm going to go check my workout in the 3D view here. And what I was talking about, if I was to attach this floor to the bottom of these walls, then there would be a gap. There would be about a 1 foot gap in this wall. Okay, and you would see it going all around. Now we don't want to do that, so do not connect on that one. Don't connect to the bottom of the second floor. So we got our walls. I'm sorry, not our walls. We just put our floors in. So floor is done. The next video I'm going to go to is going to show you how to put ceilings in. Okay, now as we go through and do this, it's going to all come together and you're going to see how everything works, and it's going to make more sense the closer we get to the end.